Hello everyone, I'm back to give you a completed, not a completed flip through, but a flip through of what I had for my glue book journal. Sadly, I did not get it completed as I wanted to. I had such big dreams for this journal this summer, but oh well, you know, things happen. So I'm just going to show you what I had. I had done some other videos for this, but this year I'm not going to go and edit through them because it's just a bad reminder of the pain I was in before I went into the hospital. So I'm just going to just give you an overview, and we're just going to tuck this away for this year and then hope to revisit it next year. We'll see, because I just had a lot of drink, you know. It's a shame, but anyway, that's life. So oh, it's still junk. I store my things in there. So you saw this side. I made a short of this side. I really liked how that turned out. And here was the other side, Soaking Up Paradise. Yeah. So I really liked how that turned out, that layout. I did this one online. It was quick. My camera was broken, but this is how that page turned out. You've seen this one. I'm not finished that page, but that's that. I haven't finished that page. I did a tag, but I'm not going to show that this year. And I think this is the one I had. You didn't get to see. And that was a page layout that I have done there. And I think that's it. I really think that's it. Yeah. Oh, and I did this on camera. And I think that's it. Okay. So all ready for hopefully next year, you know. Because I do love the beach. So I think I got everything. Yeah. Alrighty. Thank you for stopping by for this quick overview of what, the pages that I had completed. It's just sad that I just had such high hopes. What they say about the best laid plans? I mean, put it down below if you know it. Because, and I'd love to go to a place like that one day. Yeah, he was cute. Well, anyway, thank you so very much for stopping by once again. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.